everyone, it's Bob from Grey Beard Models. Welcome back to the channel, and here we start on a new project. Hopefully we'll get this built within the year, or before the year end essentially. This is another one of the Hobart Funnies, and this is a Churchill tank based vehicle with a small girder bridge. So it's an interesting build. So without further ado, let's get over to the bench and have a look. I'm sure you'll like this one. It's big. Right, so from the box you can see this is a Churchill AVRE with an SBG bridge. This is a massive kit, as you can tell from the size of the box. It's huge. It's A.V.R.E club. It's 1/35 scale, and it's, if you're interested in grabbing hold of the one, it's their kit number AF35342. It's a huge box. Pictures on the side here, as you can see, various bits of the vehicle. The ends of the box, I don't think I can get, I can get in under the camera, but anyway, there's graphics on the end, and then this side shows you pretty much how the things will look. There's the decals. It says here that it's got realistic suspension system in the Churchill. The bridge comes out, but it's got a moving function as well, and it's a bloody big kit. I think it said somewhere on here how long it is. Don't know. It's got five markings for it. Oh, excuse me. Right. Yeah, nowhere here. I'm pretty sure I saw somewhere that it gave you the dimensions of it, but it's pretty big. Also on this kit, I'm also going to use the A.V.R.E club track links. I think I might do, but we'll see how we get on. Let's get the lid off the box and we can have a quick look inside. Right, so we've got a set of instructions. Big set of instructions, really cool. I don't know if it was on here that it gave dimensions. I don't know. I've got it somewhere in my head that it gave the overall dimensions. But the A.V.R.E club instructions are usually really quite good, and I like this. You get a copy of the box art, so if you want to put that on your wall, whatever, frame it, cool. So we've got individually bagged sprues, which is a really nice touch. Parts of the whole construction. The wheels, the wheels are in two sprues of wheels in there. Some more parts there look like, trying to remember what these were. Oh yeah, it's the sort of hull additions, bits and pieces. Parts of the turret. Other parts of the hull assembly. More bits and pieces. They're the exhaust pipes. But I do like this being bagged separately. It's another side of the hull. The tracks, which I think I might use these. I don't know. I'll have a look at those. Big bag of parts for the turret and the springs for the suspension. Parts for the bridge. more parts and little greeblies there, tiny little parts, don't know what they are, I'd have to look that up. And this is a loose part and I don't know what that is. I'm trying to think if when I built one of the last ones I had a spare part and I just dumped it in the box. I don't know what that is. None of the bags seem to be open. They're straight from the factory anyway. So I don't know what that is, but no doubt we'll find out. But anyway, we'll have a look at the instructions. Right, so I was going to sort of try and film this with the instructions, and of course getting the instructions into focus and then work on it I found really difficult, so I've had to abort that plan and move on. So I've got the two external spunchions from the Churchill tank built, and now I'll move on to the next bit. Right, so got through section 8, section 9 and this option here. So I've gone for option A, this option here, mainly because I want to do this option here, which is option D, which was the 6th Assault Regiment, the 79th Armoured Division, November 1944. So this is later on after D-Day. So I've got all the way through there. I've got all the parts in place for that option, and so the next bit will be to do the other side. So we've got both sides of the tank, both sponsons done, and also on the outsides here there's a photo etch bracket on this one and on that one, and they hold these spare tracks. So all of this lot will be painted separately, and then we'll get on and put this lot together. So anyway, well, I think we'll leave it at that point. It's a little introduction into the kit, and we'll finish it there. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments and your likes and subscribes, please, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.